Hogside San tips. So this is how you clean a white wall, you guys. Most of the time I use these S.o.s pads, which work actually excellent on a white wall. Or you can purchase some bleach white. Not sponsored by them at all, but I'll show you how the application and how to put it on and how easy it comes off. So just give you guys a little bit of spray here. Let's see, let's get going. So this is what I do. I go ahead and do the tire nice, saturated a lot. No biggie. And you see it melting off already anyways. But then I'll come with the S.o.s pad. These little ones right here. And just go around it. See how nice and beautifully white these come out. That's just a simple solution. Sorry, a little close for you guys, but just want you guys to see the difference in it. Just a little dab here. And I know you guys are probably going to criticize me for not doing the whole entire tire, but I'm just trying to get a nice little quick tip video for you guys. So that's pretty much it here. So pretty much it. I don't have my hose out here. Hose. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll just hit it with this rag real quick right here, just so you guys can see. I'm gonna go over them again, but just want to give you guys a little quick tip here. Wipe your rim out. And make sure, you guys let it dry before you guys go take a drive and everything, because it will bake the acids on from the white wall cleaner. So that's all. Hogside Sound TV. Later.